Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and of course, our fabulous friends. Can I have a big round of applause for the media who have made this 25-year journey such an amazing achievement? But tonight is a very special night because actually we are starting and kicking off the IFA 2025 celebrations. This 25-year journey that was established by Andre Timmins, Virav Sargari and Sabas Joseph, the trailblazers that we all know as the whizzes and masters of the event industry, not just in India, but internationally. And with that passion, they took IFA, starting from London in 2000, on this journey around the world. But for this very special edition, we have brought the celebration home to India, thanks to our esteemed host destination partner, the Government of Rajasthan Department of Tourism. We are here in the beautiful city of Jaipur, Rajasthan. And as Ashish just mentioned, and of course thank you to Shobha, the partnership really has been a visionary one over the last 3 years. But today, the day before International Women's Day, we wanted to create something where we can all make a difference. I Can Make a Difference is our initiative that has been established 2 years ago, where IFA has always been a leader in the philanthropic space. In 2007, we were the first ones to establish a green carpet. We have done many things. We have planted 1 billion trees with UNEP. But now we wanted to teach all of you that all of us have it within us, and small steps can lead to making a big difference and an impact on the world. So without further ado, I will start this journey of women in cinema, and I would like to call upon stage the First Lady, who I can't really give an introduction of any kind of justice, visionary, iconic star with over 40 years of being in the industry, but looking better than any one of us tonight. She is the icon, she is the superstar, Madhuri Dixit Nene ji. And this little evening of entertainment. I have another trailblazer, a lady whose journey, when we share it tonight, will hopefully be inspirational and aspiring to all filmmakers. From being the first Indian woman producer and Indian film to take us all the way to the Academy Awards in over 100 years of our industry, please put your hands together for Guneet Monga.
Hello.
Nisha, Pooja, Chandramukhi, Mohini, of course.
Wow. So I'd like to start this journey. Of course, Madhuri ji, can you say a few words, because everybody has been waiting impatiently to see you here on stage.
Well, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for having me here. IFA Awards, 25 years of art, cinema, of tradition, culture, taking our cinema to the international audience, and celebrating cinema. 25 years of that, so congratulations. And thank you for all of you for coming here today and being with us, and happy to be a part of this discussion.
Amazing. So over the years, Madhuri ji, Bollywood has evolved significantly, as I'm sure we will all agree.
Elephant Whisperers did become the first Indian film ever to win an Oscar. 2023, we were nominated again. In fact, I landed this morning.
I know, thank you very much. From the Academy Awards to IFA.
Thank you. I can tell you first, when it was announced, it was surreal. But when I did go up on stage and get the trophy from Pedro Pascal, the first thought was, oh my God, it's heavy. It's around 4 kgs.
Wow.
And it's a solid 4 kgs. So you're just like, ooh, whoa, whoa. So that is your first.
We don't make it that difficult with our trophy.
And then I was just holding it up. If you see my photos, then I was like, okay, I got this. I'm not taking it down. Surreal, magical, for sure. Very humbled.
What do you think has been your biggest...
Thank
Please, a round of
Thank you.
applause. We can't say
Thank
it enough.
you.
And as a woman who started her career behind the camera, what do you feel has been the biggest challenge, especially as you came from a non-filmy background, someone who wasn't from the industry or the business, who wanted to break into this about 20 years ago? What was those challenges like?
You know, so I come from a very, very, very humble family in Delhi. हम लोग रेंट पे रहते थे और सपने देखे थे कि बस प्रोड्यूसर बनना है, कहानियाँ बोलनी है, बम्बई जाएंगे, फिल्में बनाएंगे. It's very far apart. You know, my parents and I used to stay in a 5,000 rupees rented 2 BHK in Faridabad, in Surajkund, outskirts of Delhi. And came to Bombay, shared apartments, just एक दिन producer बनेंगे, you know, fall in love with the stories, find the money, find the actors, reach out, you know, make it in that money, release it, distribute it, market it, take it to the world, understand distribution around the world. ये सब किया, you know, be it Lunchbox, be it Gangs of Wasseypur, be it, you know, Masan, Paglet, Kathal, recently Kill, और जितनी भी filmography रही है that I'm grateful for in the last 2 decades. Sorry, I got distracted.
The challenges and how the journey...
So, one thing that I definitely faced was ageism.
Oh,
You know,
right.
because as a 21-year-old, यहाँ पर आकर film बनाने का जो सपना था, it was always like, इसको कैसे दे देते हैं पैसे? You know, she's so young. I definitely faced ageism. And
Do you feel the ageism was more than about you being a woman?
I think,
Or was it because of being a woman you felt the ageism was also more apparent?
you know, I have to say this, being a woman is actually never something that I thought was a problem. Though a decade and a half later, post the Me Too movement, I learned words like gaslight. मुझे ये vocabulary नहीं पता थी, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये सब कुछ क्या होता है. I didn't know that अच्छा इसकी वजह से भी discrimination होता है. You know, because discrimination is not my problem, it is सामने वाला's problem. I used to get my work done.
That's
You
a
know,
wonderful way of looking at it, that it empowered you rather than
It's
deterred
somebody
you.
else's problem that they don't want to talk to me. I'm just like, अच्छा मुझे ये काम करवाना है. You know, आप कैसे करोगे? Be it you're getting it done from, you know, somebody who's working on your set as a labor, or you're raising money with, you know, a huge professional, or, you know, you're doing business plans. You know, so I never had that switch also in my brain. I always articulated it as ageism. I was 26 and I colored my hair white. I used to wear sarees and wear specs. I prayed for chashme. You know, हाय बाल सफेद हो जाए, आँखों में चश्मे लग जाए, लोग पैसों के लिए ट्रस्ट कर लेंगे. You know, so I prayed for अब सारे बाल सफेद हैं और full on चश्मे हैं.
And
But
now you don't want those white hairs.
yeah, but now it's okay. Now I'm 41, but 2 decades ago I've prayed for it. You know, as a 28 or 27 years old on Gangs of Wasseypur, you know, just 29 years old on Lunchbox, just trying to push and new territories. You know, learning and innovating distribution. Like Lunchbox was an Indo-French co-production. You know, India and France had signed a treaty in 1987. I was the first one to use it in 2011
Oh my God,
or
wow.
2012. So just constant innovation, you know, taking films to Cannes, figuring out how to distribute around the world, and all of that leading up to Kill this year, which broke out at Toronto, and we distributed the whole world. You know, which is very different from a regular Hindi film.
Which is also nominated, of course, at IFA.
I'm very excited and I'm very happy to be at the 25th IFA.
Absolutely.
My first time being here, so I'm just very humbled to be here with a movie. Yeah.
Amazing. And you've been able to successfully take a lot of independent films on a journey
Ji.
of a global success. How do you relate to the independent industry when it's compared to the commercial films, and being able to translate your passion in the big screen?
You know, it's a great question. Nobody cares about the independent.